Hello everyone, welcome back to Vanakkam Techie. This is my sixth video in this GOlang series. In this video, I will going to explain you about what is for loop, how to write while loop, do while loop, and how to write infinitive loop, what is the purpose of break, what is the purpose of continue, and go to statement. Also, in GOlang, we don't have any while loop and do while loop. So, I will going to teach you how to achieve this while and do while loop by using for loop. Let's check it out one by one by using sample code. Come, let's see. Now let us check how to write for loop in Go languages. So the syntax of for loop is for is the keyword. Next we have init statement, and then we have conditional statement, and then post statement. So when execute this for loop, the control comes to init statement. So in this part it will initialize the variable with some values. So once initialization completed, the control comes to conditional part. So once condition satisfied, the control comes to this block sub statement. Once this statement executes and completed, the control goes to post statement. The same process will continue until this condition not satisfied. So once it's not satisfied, then control goes out of this for loop. To explain about for loop, I have written on sample code in this file. For I colon equal to 0. This is initialization part, and this is conditional part, and this is a post statement. So when we execute this program, the control comes to this part. So it's initializing the I value with 0. Then control goes to this conditional part. 0 less than 10. This condition is true. So it will execute this statement. So in this statement, I have added one log saying that I value comma I. So it will print the value of I. Then once this statement executes, the control goes to this incremental part. So already we have that value of I is 0, so it will increase the value to 1. So the value of I is now 1. The same will continue until this condition not satisfied. Let's go and run this program and then see what is the output. So to run this scratchpad.go file, so this is the command, go run scratchpad.go. Yeah, it's displaying the value I value 0 and I value is 1, I value is 2. It is printing till 9 because we have added the condition I less than 10. So if that I values becomes 10, then 10 less than 10, the condition not satisfied, so it's going out of this for loop. That's what it's printing till 9. So far we have seen how to write for loop in Go languages. Now let's check it out how to write while loop in Go. To explain about while loop, I am rewriting the same for loop in different way. So to achieve while loop, we have to initialize the variable on top of for loop. So I am removing this initialization part, and then I am moving this post statement inside this block sub statement. Control X, Control B. So we no need to give any semicolon here. So I am removing it. I am saving it. Let's check it out. What is the output? See, the same output we are getting it. Even though we don't have while loop in GoLang, we can achieve while loop by using this kind of codes. Now let's check it out how to write do while loop. So in other languages, what is the syntax of do while? Do blocks of statement and while, then condition, right? So when we execute this do while loop, even though this condition not satisfied, this blocks of statement will be executed at least once. So in this scenario only we will going to use this do while statement. Now let us see how to write do while loop in GoLang by using for loop. To explain about do while loop, I have written some piece of code here. So as per this code, I have initialized one variable with a value 1, and then I have defined one label that is do while, and then I have added one log statement. Okay, after that in line number 11, I have added one condition. So by using for loop. So once the condition is satisfied, that next blocks statement will be executed, that is I plus plus and go to do while. So go to is a keyword here. Go to statement is used to transfer the control to the location where we have defined that label. So in this line number 13, I have written that code go to do while. So when go will execute this statement, so it will check where we have defined that label do while. So in this line number 8, I have defined the label do while. So control directly jumps into that line number 8. So by using this code, we can achieve do while, because as per the do while, even though this condition not satisfied, we need to execute the block sub statement, right? So as per this code, it will execute this statement first and then only it will check the condition. For example, I am initializing the value with 20. That time first it will execute this statement, after that only it will check this condition. So 20 is not less than 10, so the condition is not satisfied, so this block sub statement will not be executed. The control goes out of this for loop. So by using this code we can achieve do while. I am saving this program. Let's check it out. What is the output? Yeah, now it's printing only one statement, do while I value is 20, because this condition is not satisfied, so it's not incrementing this value. Also, it's not executing this go to statement. Now let me change this value from 20 to 0. I'm saving it and then I'm running this program once again. Let's check it out. What's the output? Yeah, now it's printing the value from 0 to 10, right? So in this way we can achieve do while in for loop. Now let's check it out how to write infinitive loop. In that for loop, if we remove initialization part and conditional part and post statements part, then that is the infinitive loop. So here I have removed all this initialization part, conditional part and post statement parts, and I have given only for here. Inside this for loop, I have written only one statement, that is infinitive loop. If I am saving this file and run this program, this statement will be printed in the console continuously until I give Control C. That means manually I kill this program. So let me run this program and see what is the output. It's continuously printing that statement infinitive loop. I'm pressing Control C to manually kill these programs. Yeah, the program execution stopped now. That's all about infinitive loop. Now let's check it out. What's the use of continue and break? So if you want to jump out from for loop based on some condition, then you can use break statement. If you want to skip some iteration of for loop based on some condition, then you can go with continue statement. So in this program I have written one infinity for loop. Inside this infinity for loop I have written two conditions. One is for skipping the for loop iteration based on this condition. Another one is jump out from for loop. So if that value of I is even number, then I am skipping that for loop iteration. Then in that scenario I am not printing this value in the console. So if that value of I reaches 5, then I am jumping out from for loop. After that, the statement I am not odd number will not print in the console. So this is the program all about. Let me save this file and check what is the output. Yeah, it's not printing any even number. It's printing only odd number. Also, it's not printing beyond the number 5. So the program is working fine. Now we understood what's the difference between continue and break, and hope you people understood about how to write for loop, how to write while, do while, and what is the use of go to statement, and all those details. So if you like this video and like this content, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.